Sunday. It's Sunday. I'm supposed to be resting. What's he do? Day of rest, Bob.
Hi, friends. Welcome back to me.
Welcome back to the Bob channel.
Yeah.
Guys, we got 2 furnaces and 1 air conditioner and all the parts and pieces in this van. I never would have thought in a million years we'd pull this one off. So, wow. Crazy, crazy days. So much for an easy Sunday, relaxing.
Yeah, thanks to you, Shane.
So I'm starting this from the car because I only have 3% left, and Bob said he's got more to say than 3%. So anyway, he saw this dumpster from the road.
Shorten that up a little bit.
You through okay? So there is a pipe over there. I don't know if you can see that or not. All right, I'm going to unplug and record as long as I can here. Oh, look at this guy. He's like a ninja. He's a dumpster ninja.
Warrior too.
Yeah, just don't fall in, Bob, because I'm not pulling you out.
Oh, come on.
God, he's going to go in again. That's not metal. Huh? Aluminum, my hands.
Is that aluminum?
No, that's not aluminum.
Are you sure? Look at that.
That's fiberboard they put over post.
You sure?
Positive, 100%. Now there's some gutter down there, downspout down there, might be. Here, you want me to reach it? Here. It's more entertaining if you fall in, though, see?
Sure.
I literally did. I says, he goes, he found this dumpster, and I'm like, okay, we'll grow up. It's just to this one dumpster. I got stuff I'm trying to do. I'm trying to relax. Then what's he do? He finds a freaking.
This is for Halloween, folks. Would you like to be a Halloween witch?
You gonna ride that home, Bob?
A broom.
You can buy the broom for $5, and Bob will even sign it. But you got to pay shipping.
Yeah.
All right.
By all means. I've been framed. I've been framed.
Oh, with that, I'm going to sign off, I think. Oh, my
I
word.
think you better. It's 25 cents right there on top.
Nickel? Or are we a quarter or what?
Quarter right here.
Another quarter?
On top.
Oh, my gosh. They're going to start thinking that's fixed.
I'm so excited. There's a quarter there.
So easily entertained. All you gotta do is tell them that there's a quarter in the couch. It'll keep them busy for hours.
Gas tank.
Motorcycle gas tank?
Yeah.
In the box?
In a box.
No way.
Yeah.
Let's see it. Are you serious? That's awesome. It's got a dent on it right there. It's probably the one they replaced. Huh. Looks like there's some chrome down there. What are you whining about now? Can't reach everything. The story of his life.
You ready? Get this.
Yeah. A quarter!
I told you.
He is so easily entertained. Army jacket of sorts, huh?
Army jacket. That used to be good.
You're right. Looks like somebody got kicked out of the house.
Look at this, buddy.
Oh, hello. Got all those ballasts. All right. Yeah, those are good ones too. Take those in. Look at that cord.
Yeah.
Oh my word. Bob, I wanted to relax today. What the hell? Wow. Oh. Unbelievable. So here we go again. You know, we're over at that dumpster, right? We're at that dumpster and we can't just leave. Oh no, look, the door was open over here and there's stuff outside. And what does Master Bob do? I gotta go talk to him. Stop, let me talk to him. They may want to get rid of this stuff. Sure enough, bada bing, bada boom. We have a display case. We have an older vending machine for ice cold drinks. We have an old Coca-Cola machine that was converted to a Pepsi machine apparently. And we have a shelving unit. And then we even got the metal that was outside the dumpster. Right here. So, and they're gonna have something over by the dumpster every other day for us. So we get a check back. So again, thanks Bob, I'm missing the Cowboys game. So, first of all, I want to show you real quick what we just picked up. This is one of those drawer things. See that? Nice sized drawer thing. And then we come by here. Someone's actually taking apart dishwasher. Oh my gosh, check it out. Wow. This is just crazy. We don't have any room really. So we'll open it up and see what we can fit in. This is the fullest load we've ever had. Voila. All right, well, I've got to let my prisoner out here.
Yeah, please go home, please. I'm finished for the day, I told you, but look what we ended up with.
Oh my gosh. This thing was so long I couldn't fit it through, or I had to. Oh, there we go. What a day.
Yeah. What are you going to do about in the morning about
About the what?
the windows down?
Oh, I want nothing.
That's my
It's
seat.
not going to rain tonight. Are you kidding me?
That's my seat.
So Jay and I are heading in to watch The Nun at night. I might get scared.
He's gonna cry.
Well, good morning, everyone. I'm here with Bob. It is, what time is it, Bob? 7:30 in the morning. 7:30 in the morning.
7:23.
7:23. We are at the scrapyard on a Monday morning before work. He's
Hi
retired.
guys, good morning.
All right, so we got 5,820 pounds, although they have not officially opened yet. There's about, I don't know, 5 or 6 minutes before they open. So we'll see if they make us wait here or not. Okay, guys, we had 740 pounds for a whopping $42.55, which is awesome. We put $10.55 into the truck fund, and then we split the other 30. Or actually, split the other 32, so 16 each. So not bad, but I got to get to work. What are you gonna do today, Bob?
Think we're going to
Iowa City.
Iowa City.
For what?
Look for a new looking spot first to find some more stuff.
Oh, that's what we need, more stuff. All right, guys, how's it going today, everybody? I just got back here for this Coke machine. I'm doing this by myself. I leaned it back onto a block of wood that was sitting nearby. Thought it would be high enough, but it's not. So I'm not sure how I'm going to get it up higher yet, but that's what I'm working on currently. That's how you do it. I have a rule, and I follow that rule pretty closely. And that rule is, if somebody wants to buy something from me and they can't come and pick it up, and we're talking about Facebook groups here, if they cannot come and pick it up, then they don't want it bad enough, period, right? So I put this Coca-Cola machine on this morning. I'm out of town. This guy's begging and pleading with me to sell it to him for 50 bucks. And then I said, okay, when can you meet? Well, I don't have a license. Now this is my rule. If you can't drive and pick it up, you can't drive and see it, then I'm not gonna bring it to you. So finally I go, listen, you pay 100 bucks, you pay the full price and I'll deliver it. He goes, oh, I can't, you know, I can't drive. I says, well, then, I says, what do you have to trade? Well, I've got some metal, I've got some air compressor. Okay, that sounds good. You give me the air compressor and 50 bucks and we'll call it good. I get it to his house and the little did exactly what I figured he was gonna do. I get over there to his house. First of all, you saw me load it up by myself. I get it over to his house. He comes up to the van, he goes, can I see it? I'm like, yeah, you can see it. And I knew right then there was trouble, right then. He looks at it, he goes, so what do you know about it? I says, nothing. We clean out places, and this is a pop machine. I haven't tested it. You know, it's easily worth 50 bucks, you know. Well, can we plug it in? No! I jumped right on his case. I'm like, no, you can't plug it in. You bought a pop machine. I told you it was sold as is. I delivered it. Well, it's not a big deal just to plug it in. I said, yeah, it is a big deal to plug it in, because if it doesn't work, you're not going to want it. Well, then, thanks for nothing. And he turns around and walks away. I'm like, you little snot-nosed 20-something kid. I just wanted to club him. Oh, man, I wanted to club him so bad. Try the old pull it forward trick. That works. Alright, I got the exercise or the weight curling bench in here, the other vending machine. And again, using the top of the van. Got the metal shelf. Unfortunately, I did not find a buyer for this. It is all glass and particle board. It's a very, very nice piece, but no scrap value. So I told him, I said, if it was still sitting here on Tuesday, you'd know that I couldn't do anything with it. All right, got the second one loaded. We're at the scrapyard. Do it again. Okay guys, that time we had 340 pounds in the vending machine, so we got 1955. So basically Bob and I ended up with $18 each, and about 10 bucks going, 10 or 12 bucks going into the kitty for the truck. I will get you an update on where we stand with the total on that sometime soon. So that is that. We still have stuff in my garage and behind my garage, so we do have another load to bring down, but that'll probably be tomorrow. But we just keep plugging away at it.
Hey guys, how is it going? I am recording this on my webcam on my laptop because my phone died last night and it's like permanently dead, like there's no bringing it back. So unfortunately, last night I went out with Bob. We were out from about, I don't know, 5:36 until almost 11 o'clock last night. We filled up the van. We found some just incredible stuff. We had some great footage. We had so many good laughs. And unfortunately, all that footage is gone. So I am going to wrap this video up with just the kind of the warning or the letting you know that even though I try and put out a video every other day, it looks like maybe it will be Friday before I get a video out, if not Saturday. So I'm still here. I'm still putting out content, but right now my tool that I use is gone. So I've got to find another tool for now. So bear with me. We will get another video out, but I hope you did enjoy this video. And guys, just take care of yourselves. Be safe out there, and we will definitely see you at the next dumpster and hopefully very soon. Peace out, everybody. Have a good night. Bye-bye.